Hi guys, it's Ray here. Today's video is a chill get ready with me plus Q&A. There's no video like this on my channel and I decided that at this point you should know me a little bit better. So I'm just gonna tell you about myself and do my makeup. Okay, maybe firstly I have to introduce myself. My name is Arina. It is Slavic name, so it can be a little bit difficult to say it in English. With accent, it's something like Arena. So this is why I go by the nickname Ri or Ari. I'm 20 years old, which is crazy to say because in my head I'm still 16. Yeah, I don't know how to address this, but yeah. I'm 20 years old. Currently, I am starting my master's degree. I'm gonna study brand management. This is a very interesting topic to me. Yeah, I decided that if I will have master's degree, then in this field. Because currently my bachelor's degree title is international business. Yeah, it is cool, but it's more like technical. I want to go more in creative field. I love what I'm doing on YouTube, and I think that maybe this field of study will also make my content better. What's your three go-to product? And if you could keep only them, what would it be? It's my Lancome concealer. This is my favorite one. I would also keep my NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. I think this is the best brow pen on the market. And my third product is maybe my Huda Beauty powder, because this is my favorite one. I think it's a lot. What's the last book you read? It's an interesting question because I read a lot, but now I am in the reading slump, so it's hard for me to read and also to rate the book, how many stars I will give it. The last book that I have read fully is Spiral by Balacabra, and yet I liked the book and I give it 5 star on Goodreads. It's also like for real more as 4.75. Because yeah, I loved the characters. I also like the series. There was the main couple conflict that I didn't understand fully, and that could be better. But my current read is False God by this author. I will insert her name just because I can't pronounce it. Now I am on like 40% mark, I think, so I can't judge it fully yet. It is fine. The characters have some spice in them and I like this. So it's more like, it's not like fully enemies to lovers, but it is kind of. So yeah, I like it. Why did you start your YouTube channel? This is a tricky question because I don't know how to answer that. So, since I was like 11 years old, I watched YouTube almost every day. I watched makeup videos, tutorials, obviously some like kid content. I had always found it. I always thought that it was cool that girls just sit, do their makeup and talk. I don't know. I think every girl did that when she was little and maybe preparing for school. I was just sitting by my window and doing my little makeup blog to myself. Because I'm originally from Ukraine, when I decided to go to study at the university to different country, I thought that I will do a little blog of me, how I go through the process. But then this video never came out. Never. I filmed it. It was in editing. It was edited. But it never saw the light because I just didn't think that this video was good enough. It also, there wasn't something that I really want to express on internet. So then my YouTube channel is existing, like this one that you see this video on. Uh, I created it in 2021, and yet my first video was uploaded in 2025. It was a journey because I always wanted to do that, and I was debating whether I should do this because I didn't think that I was good enough. I always wondered, will I have time? Is it really what I want to do? And yes, it is what I want to do. There's probably nothing I would change in the timing because I needed to go through all the things that I've been through to start my channel. And uploading first video for me was really stressful because it was cool, but I had really bad anxiety because of this. I never thought that my first video will like it haven't blown up. It was not really viral, but for me to get this 70 views on my first video was like, wow, I did that. Like it was great. And yeah, I'm trying to be better and better every time, every video I upload. There is some anxiety still in me that like saying me you're not good enough, but I hope I am good enough because I like it and I would love this to be my career. I don't know if it is really possible, but I hope that someday that will happen because that is my dream job, my dream career, my dream life. A lot of people may say like you're just a typical girl. Yes, I am a girl and I love doing my makeup, dressing up, and bake. And that's basically me, and I am not gonna change for someone. And this is why I decided to start my own YouTube channel just to express myself and to show what I really can to the people. I just want to be here. What's your dream brand collaboration? I would say that my dream brand collaboration is Rode. I really like Hailey Bieber. I like their skincare line. It just fits in with my aesthetic. And I honestly would like to try more products from Rode. Their aesthetics just resonates with me. And I maybe would like to create either a product with them or just maybe take a place in their campaign. It would be great. Honestly, this would be my dream. What's your favorite song at the moment? I would say that my favorite song right now is Sirens Sounds by Tate McRae. Every time I hear this song, I just have chills. And I don't know, it has the meaning. And for me, it's also associates with the moment of my life. When I hear this song, I just have a feeling that everything that's going on is just there for a reason and it's gonna be better at some point. And also, when I think about this song, it just reminds me of the summer of 2025. All the things that happened. There was my trip to Copenhagen that I really loved, and there was my diploma exam. And yeah, yes, I got my diploma, and it was stressful. And it also, like, I will remember this summer forever, I think. If you had to get a tattoo, what would it be? This is a hard question for me just to talk about, not like to decide, because this is the tattoo that I want to get someone in my life. Back In my city that I was born in, I had a cat. His name was Mars, like a planet. And unfortunately, he passed away in 2022. I was brokenhearted. He was my first, like, pet that I remember. We were, like, the best friends. I will insert his photo here just because I love him so much. I want to get the tattoo of his name like right above my elbow just because I want to remember him. Do you follow skincare routine or keep it simple? I don't have the skincare routine that I do every night, every morning. I just do what I feel I have to do because my skin is one of those that when you don't keep it simple, it just breaks out. For me, like I mix and match skincare, but mostly I just use like micellar water, face wash, and cream. If I need more hydration, I use the Rose Milky Toner. If I want to like remove dead cells, I use the toner from the Ordinary, the glycolic acid one, or I have like the toning pads. I don't use a lot of skincare. There was a time where when I thought that I have to do the skincare routine, but it was just too complicated for my skin and it wasn't great for me. Do you enjoy doing other people's makeup? I don't know. There's a lot of people outside my apartment. I don't do other people's makeup often. Like I did a couple times. I did makeup for my sister, for my cousin, for my mom, and for my friend. Yet it is not like I would say I like to do their makeup. Sometimes for me it's hard because then I am responsible for how it wears, for how it looks. They're not really what I like, but I think that I could work as makeup artist and it's fine because whenever my friend or my mom asks me to do their makeup, yeah, I'm like fully there. Like the last time I did my friend's makeup was like about 2 months ago for her birthday, and this makeup looked incredible and worked incredible all night. So yeah, I can do that. How long does it actually take you to get ready? It depends on the makeup that I'm doing. Like for example, if I do full face of makeup like I do right now, it takes me about 14 minutes. But if I'm doing something simple, just like concealer, brows, mascara, and blush, it takes me about 20 minutes. But I think it's fine. If we are also talking about the hair and the outfit, I could take an hour to get ready. And it's not something bad. I just want to look great. I just want to like myself in the mirror, obviously. Which of your videos is your favorite right now? This is a hard question. I would say that I really liked my video about my newest makeup product. I also liked, oh, what was it about? Oh, the makeup organization one, also fire, but I like all my videos. Like every video that I film, I just put a soul in it. And then sometimes I am rewatching my own videos when they are out. And it doesn't matter that I watched them like 100 times before because I was editing, obviously. Maybe it is not good for my statistics and for my channel, but I only film videos that I am myself interested in and like would love to watch this video. Are you more into movies or series? I watch both and it doesn't matter for me like what it is. TV show, series, a movie. Currently I am watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. the third season if you're following. Also, one of my favorites movies is like Tangled. I really like the Spider-Man series by Marvel. One of my favorite series is The Girl Meets World. I am also currently watching Gossip Girl. And like, I watched a lot of different series and movies, and I just can't name them. Like, I don't know. I don't. Oh, Friends. How could I forget about Friends? It's one of my all-time series. It's so good. Like, for me, when I watched it, it was a moment. I was watching it like with my friend. We discussed everything, and just I loved the characters, their vibe, and I haven't rewatched them since, but I really think about it. I also loved the Fate Wings series on Netflix. They closed the series, and like it was so good. Why would you close it? But they did. They closed it. So also there was a question like, what's your workout routine? I don't have a routine, but I really like Pilates. So this is what I do from times to times. I don't do this every day. Maybe I should like to get into the routine, but I am currently not doing this in routine. But I want to. I want to. What my plans for content? I would really love to continue to do what I do, filming makeup content, lifestyle, maybe more vlogs. Like, but now I find them a little bit harder to film just because I always forget about it and I film currently on my phone. So whenever someone's texting, calling me, or I have to do something, I just then forget that I was filming and that I have to film. So this is why there are only like two vlogs on my channel. So as I was saying, I am right now researching for the cameras. So I'm looking forward to buy one. But as for right now, I have to save some money for that. And I hope that you liked this video, that you get to know me better, and if you have any other questions, please leave them below in the comments. I obviously will read them and answer the questions, maybe in the comments, maybe in another Q&A video if you want to see one. This is my everyday get ready with me, and I hope that you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I love you so much, and I see you soon. Bye.